Hello, my name is Ratnawati. In this video, I will explain project-based learning, describing daily routine, and asking about quantity. Part 1. Daily activity. Every day, I wake up at 5 in the morning and start some preparation before starting my activity. And then I go to school for teaching with my class at 7 o'clock. And the evening, I read the book to prepare college speaking. Part 2. Asking about quantity. How many books do you read in a week? I read 2 books every day. How many hours do you sleep every night? I sleep for 7 hours every night. How much water do you drink every day? I drink 8 glasses of water every day. Part 3. Simple comparison. This is example for comparative and superlative. Sentence using comparative from using adjective for comparative sentence. Jakarta is bigger, big than Bekasi based on population. Adjective plus S. Second example, this is superlative. Sentence using the superlative from using adjective to indicate greatest or the most. Jakarta is the biggest big city in Indonesia by population. Adjective plus S. This is part 4. Simple dialogue. Hello, what do you need? Hello, do you have honey? Yes, I do. How much do you need? I need 1 bottle of honey, please. Okay. That is 50,000 rupiah. Here is the money. Thank you. And here is your honey. You're all welcome. Bye. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.